Right, my colleague Santhya Gora is joining us from Mumbai's Mahim. Santhya, Mahim is witnessing a very close fight between Amit Thackeray, the son of Raj Thackeray, and Sena UBT's Mahesh Sawant. Can you tell us more about this fight and the key issues as far as the state of Maharashtra is concerned?
So there is a Sena versus Sena battle on 51 seats in Maharashtra, and Mahim is definitely one of the most important ones, not only because of its Sena versus Sena setup, but because there's a triangular battle, as rightly mentioned by you. Now the voters, Marathi voters, Mahim actually has predominantly Marathi voters, and these are the core voters of all the three parties. UBT, Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena, and Raj Thackeray's MNS, and that's why this is a prestigious seat for all these three parties. Apart from the issue of Son of Soil and Marathi Asmita, if I talk about the local issues, water, drinking water issue, traffic jams, redevelopment of old buildings, and cleanliness are some of the issues which are bothering the citizens, the voters of Mahim constituency. And as I said, the issue of Marathi Asmita is also going to play a role, because this time there are three parties, and all the three parties were actually they were a part of undivided Shiv Sena, which was founded by Bala Saheb Thackeray, who had a strong hold and an emotional connect with the people of Mahim. So Mahim is going to play an important role, not only in bringing either sides to power, but also in deciding which faction of Shiv Sena is actually the dominant one, or as they call it, the real one. Other than Mahim, Worli is another important seat, another prestigious seat for both the sides, both the factions of Shiv Sena, because Aditya Thackeray is contesting on a UBT ticket. He is a sitting MLA from the area. And Milind Devra, former Congress leader, and now he has joined Shinde Sena. He is contesting against Aditya Thackeray. Another triangular battle, because Manse's Sandeep Deshpande is also contesting from Worli. These are the two seats where, and they are people who are not from Mumbai, they are not very far from each other. Mahim and Worli, triangular battle. Other than these two seats, important seats to watch out for will be, as far as Mumbai is concerned, or the MMR region is concerned, it will be Kopri Pachkadi, Thane, Mumra Kalwa, Belapur, your Borivali, all Shivdi, all these seats will be extremely important, and the results will be out on 23rd November. Archana.
Right, thank you, Sandhya, for that update. We now join